Hi, my name is Sonia Gilkey, also known as Sister Nandi. I am the Chief Executive Officer of G Positive Enterprises, the maker of Wrap-A-Loc, the dual hairstyling tool for natural and locked hair, and hair libation holding and styling spray. Wrap-A-Loc is a tool that creates a beautiful tight spiral curl on natural and locked hair. Not only does Wrap-A-Loc allow you to get a nice, beautiful, tight spiral curl, but it also allows you to wear the tool in the hair as a styling apparatus. Today, we're going to show you how to use and apply the Wrap-A-Loc hairstyling tool. We're going to show you on locked hair as well as natural loose hair, the flexibility, the creativity, and the duality of Wrap-A-Loc, the dual hairstyling tool. Let's go and see how this amazing tool works on your hair. The Wrap-A-Loc tool comes in 3 different lengths. So either you have a small 3-inch or a medium 6-inch or a large 10-inch, depending on the length of your hair. And some of you may have a combination of the two because the hair sometimes does have more than one length. Before we get started, my lock people, what you want to make sure is that your hair has been shampooed or that it's damp. Okay, for my natural loose hair people using the Wrap-A-Loc tool today, make sure that you've 2-strand twist the hair and the hair is still somewhat damp. Before we get into the actual wrapping process, let me just say that there are different types of locks. You may have traditional locks, which are thick or thin, or you may have free-form locks, such as the Marley locks, or you may have the beautiful sister locks. But today, we're going to use Nzinga's traditional locks. So Nzinga is sporting locks. And let me just tell you a little secret. They're my locks, yes. When my locks got very long, I trimmed them and I put them on Nzinga so that she could always help me show you how to get that ultimate look with Wrap-A-Loc. Okay, we're gonna take our 6-inch tool and our favorite holding spray, hair libation, to moisturize the hair before beginning. We're gonna wrap 2 locks per tool. Again, we're gonna wrap 2 of Nzinga's locks on one of the tools, okay? First, we wanna moisturize the hair so that the hair can be easy to manipulate around the tool. You're gonna place the hair on top of the Wrap-A-Loc tool like this, leaving about 1 inch or so of the hair and about 1/4 inch of the tool out and available. Also, another tip, you want the long end of the tool to be facing to the left so that you can see how much you're wrapping and how much hair you have, okay? So again, the hair is placed on top of the tool, about 1 inch or so left of the hair and 1/4 inch from the tool. We're gonna take this hair and we're gonna wrap it around the tool, okay, a couple of times like so. Also, another tip, I'm using my index finger and my thumb for this procedure. So I've wrapped it. Now I'm going to take my thumb and bend the end of the tool over on top of the hair as such. See? I'm going to wrap the hair over on top of the tool with my thumb and my index, squeezing the hair because the hair is kind of coarse. So you want to make sure that you're laying that hair on there tight so that it lays, it's not overlapped, but it's laying on the tool nice and smooth, nice and smooth, no space in between. And you see how I have my fingers placed. My thumb up here and my thumb and index finger down here. The thumb up here is guiding the hair onto the tool while the thumb and index back here is rolling it. So we're laying it down, actually creating another technique where we're actually smoothing the locks out as they go up the tool. When you get to the top of the hair, you want to leave about 1/4 inch from the hair. You don't want to wrap it all the way to the top of the hair because it's going to be too tight and uncomfortable. So you want to leave about 1/4 inch. When you get to the base, you see the tip of the Wrap-A-Loc that's left. You're going to wrap that, squeeze it around the base of the hair. Squeeze it on there to create a lock so that it holds the hair in place and does not come loose. What you don't want to do is to roughly handle the curl, unwinding it like that. No curls. To properly remove this beautiful and revolutionary tool, what you want to do is start at the base and loosen the hair up. Straighten the tool up like this. And you're going to take the thumb and index finger again, and you're going to twist the hair, holding at the top and twisting at the bottom in the opposite direction that it's wrapped. See how that hair loosened up off the tool? Then you're going to take that little piece, remember we bent at the beginning, straighten it up, and we're going to just slide the tool right from under the hair. Perfect spiral every time. Now that we've learned how to apply the Wrap-A-Loc tool with my mannequins and my favorite dolls, let's see what it looks like on live models who's sporting sister locks, traditional locks, colored locks, beautiful locks, and natural hair. Check it out. Wrap-A-Loc puts swirl in your curl and rave in your wave.